Kids in aprons smile so wide. Let's make fruit slices side by side. Grab your fruits, both big and small. We'll chop and mix, we'll use them all. Slice, slice, slice. Slice, slice, slice the fruits. Making colors oh so cute. Red and yellow, green and blue. Healthy snacks for me and you. Pick the fruits. Bananas, apples, and juicy pears. Mangoes too, let's share. Who cares? Orange slices, grapes so sweet. A rainbow plate, what a treat! Slice, slice, slice the fruits. Fun to make and fun to chew. Wash your hands and take a bite. Fruit slice time feels just right. Let's mix it up. Toss them in a bowl so bright. Add some yogurt, pure delight. Healthy, yummy, cool and nice. Kids can make their own fruit slice. Slice, mix, smile. Slice, mix, smile today. Healthy fun the yummy way. Fruits and laughter all combined. Best fruit slice you'll ever find. Time to say bye. Yum, yum, what a day. We made fruit slices the fun way. Healthy snacks and happy smiles. See you soon for more fun styles. Kids in aprons smile so wide. Let's make fruit slices side by side. Grab your fruits, both big and small. We'll chop and mix, we'll use them